I'm a midwife and lactation consultant, and I was brought into the Eastern Bay Plenty here to help set up our wonderful new Waiau breastfeeding service. And so we've developed an awesome team and an awesome service for the whole community with lactation consultants and kaiawhinas visiting mamas in their home and to help support and promote breastfeeding. So today's a great opportunity to sort of normalise being out and about with your pepe and giving them a kai, and it's all cool.
Have you seen any changes in the recent years about the whāngai breastfeeding within mamas, and mamas that don't breastfeed, they might not know the full information or knowledge and support around that?
Yes, yeah. I think there's a lot more awareness now, like many things, and but we also know it's a struggle for many women, and that's where we come in. We want to help women who have those struggles and make sure they get the right help and support in a timely manner. And because when someone had wanted to breastfeed and it doesn't work out, it can be heartbreaking for them. So, but it's actually about supporting mama to parent the best way she can, however that is.
How important is it to encourage mums to be engaged kanohi face to face with kaupapa like this?
I think it's very important because, you know, the whole thing, it takes a village to raise a child, and we know that a breastfeeding mama needs a cheering squad around her to keep going, especially when it gets hard, and to connect, really. Yeah.
Kia ora, thank you. Kia ora.
I'm Ariana Manuel, I'm 20 years old, and this is my baby boy, Te Ua Mairangi Manuel.
And I'm Wairua, I'm 23, and this is Ivy, and she is 4 months.
And you're both sisters and having babies pretty much at the same time, and as you can see the hononga's already there. What is that feeling like, both of you been able to be mamas at the same time and knowing that both of your kids are going to be really close?
Yeah, it's awesome. We're always at home together, babies are always crawling on the ground together. If one's crying, then the other sister can go and help support my sister, and also, it's just real cool to see them grow up.
And we both like if say I've got sports on, because they both breastfeed, Ariana can breastfeed her, I can breastfeed him, but it's cool like that, and just it's much easier when you have a mate to do it with. They kind of feel lonely, but
Yes, and you know, sometimes we have mama days where those are cloudy days, pody days. How is that support system with you both when it comes to needing to kind of flesh out or vent to your sister when it comes to, you know, how am I coping with my day and everything like that?
Well, actually we have a lot of those days, but it's just good to have each other, because, you know, if she's had a rough night with him, then I get up early and then I can do both of them, or vice versa. But it's just nice to have someone there that is pretty much like a second mother to the baby and can, you know, look after them how you look after them. But
Awesome. Do you guys have any kōrero whakakapi or any advice for new mums out there, for mums with friends or sisters to work together bringing up their babies, because it does take a village?
I reckon definitely surround yourself with other mums. Don't bring your distance yourself from others. It's best to do it together, friends, and
just also staying around your whānau, because they're going to be like your biggest support. They're the ones that will get you the most, even if you're, I don't know, too proud to admit, but they're the ones that can give you a break. And
Kia ora ladies. Thank you. Kia ora.